What's included in a $5,000 wedding invitation suite? Luxury custom invitation reveal. Hi, my name is Adriana Ciuciano and I'm the creative director of Boxed Wedding Invitations, a luxury stationery brand proudly featured in leading publications around the world, including Vogue, People magazine, and the New York Times. In this video, I am unveiling a $5,000 luxury wedding invitation suite designed to create a powerful wow factor and deliver a breathtaking visual experience for every guest. If you've ever wondered what goes into a couture level invitation order, this is your behind the scene look at premium materials, exquisite craftsmanship, and of course, elevated design. This wedding invitation suite includes 100 invitation pieces. This is what the couple ordered for their wedding for their guests. And it includes a custom Boxelope, which we designed in a light blush. We also designed their custom monogram, which is going to be the branding for their wedding. They're going to use it on the invitations, obviously, on the dance floor where they are going to have the first dance, on the menus, on the wedding cake, on the welcome sign, on every wedding related. So the invitation includes 100 custom Boxelope, 3 cards. Starts with the oversized wedding invitation. This is a bigger size than the standard 5x7. Makes it more visual appealing. It's very thick. It's 4 ply, 4 times thick. And it has what makes it very special is the fact that the edges are painted in a metallic gold and the edges are cut at 45 degrees, which is the finest detail in stationery. It also comes with 2 additional cards, a details card, custom card, as well as Alhambra reply card, Alhambra-inspired card with a tassel. All the cards are printed in the luxurious gold foil stamp. This suite was created for a bride who want to set a tone for an unforgettable celebration, starting, of course, with the invitation. Every detail was custom, from the shape and the color palette to the texture and finishing touches. This suite is a true work of art. Of course, it's perfect for bride who is inspired by beauty and details. It's perfect for luxury weddings, couture brides, high-end event planners and designers, and stationery collectors and fine print lovers. Whether you are dreaming of a statement invitation or just curious about what high-end stationery looks like, this video will inspire you to elevate your guest experience through thoughtful designs. Please follow me for more. I'm gonna try to do reveals as soon as I can and as many as I can. I want to teach you what good quality invitations and paper goods look like. Thank you.